Since its establishment, Shenzhen Fumot Technology Company Limited has focused on the design and innovation of disposable vape pen and customization vape hardware. We've been committed to becoming an innovative disposable vape pen and customization vape hardware technology company, integrating R&D design, manufacturing, and marketing. After several years of rapid development, Fumot has more than 3,000 employees, 1,000 square meters office area, 10,000 square meters manufacture area, and more than 10 professional production lines. We have a young and creative design team and a team of experienced R&D engineers. We insist on product R&D from the perspective of customers. In just a few years, Fumot has more than dozens of intellectual property patents and appearance patents, which grow rapidly every year. We pay attention to the user's use experience and use more advanced atomization technology, more exquisite detailed design, more fashionable elements, and higher quality raw materials for product research and development. We hope to offer each product soul and personality so that our customers have a good experience brought by the product when using it. Since our own vape brand R&M created, it has been warmly sought after by the market with its unique style and excellent taste. At present, it sells all over North America, Europe, the Middle East, Southeast Asia, and other regions. At the same time, we also rely on our company's strong R&D and production capacity to provide customers domestic and abroad with a variety of OEM, ODM services and product innovation solutions. Fumot is committed to providing global users with a better vaping experience, contributing to the health of global smokers, and establishing mutually beneficial cooperative relations with global partners, while meeting the needs of customers and the market. We use our innovation and professional ability to create value for users and customers and give back to the society.